on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making Thousand Island dressing. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and I have 2 teaspoons of dried minced onion. To our bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of mayonnaise. Now I'm going to add in my ketchup, my relish, my minced onion, my paprika, and my white vinegar. And all we're going to do is mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done, you can give it a taste. Now we're going to cover it and we're going to place it into our fridge for 1 hour. Okay guys, so it's been 1 hour. I'm just going to mix up our salad dressing. You guys can go ahead and give it a taste. It tastes amazing. So now all I'm going to do is put it into a mason jar. And here we have it, our Thousand Island dressing. It takes about 2 minutes to make, and it tastes way better than the bottled dressing. I hope you guys stick around for my next video. I'm going to be making a cheeseburger deluxe salad, and I'll be using this Thousand Island dressing on it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?